Hi, you guys. Here's a quick review on this TY Beanie Baby 2000 Buzzy the Buzzaed plush. Without further ado, let's get into the review. There's his eyes of the buzzard. There's the blue beak. There's the colorful feather around his neck. Pretty sweet. There's his hang tag. It says 2000 right there. 2000, and the back, his material is made out of, it's like a wood material. Really cool for a buzzard. There's tag Buzzy, and the back says 2000. All right. Here he is at the back. And here he is like this. And the front, he has red feet, so that's really cool. He has red feet, so he could dance and jig with those red feet. You can see right there. He's dancing with those red feet. Pretty sweet. Here he is like this. There's his scary eyes. And here he is like this. And like this. Pretty sweet. And like that. In the front, there's this hang tag. Let me open up his hang tag. Let me set down the camera. Let me open up his hang tag. Oh. There we go. That was a hard one. A little bit. Alright. Here we go. It says Buzzy. Date of birth, July 6, 2000. Up in the sky is where I fly. I love to soar way up high. When I swoop down, don't run away. 'Cause all I want to do is play. So pretty cool. Pretty cool buzzard. Alright, let's continue on to the review. Here he is like this, and like this. Pretty sweet. The bottom of his feathers are blue. So his beak, it's the same material as his beak. Pretty sweet. You can see it is the same material as his beak right there. You can see. So pretty nice. Pretty sweet. Love this buzzard. It's pretty cool looking. There's his little tail feather. Pretty sweet. Alright. He's gonna find something dead. Like, let's just say this dog right here. Look at this. Yep, that's apparently what buzzards do. They find something like, they find dead animals onto the roads and the fields. So yeah, that's what the buzzard does. Yep. Right now it's March, so right now it's buzzard season right now. So yeah. So it's a perfect time to do this review during buzzard season. So yeah. Anyways, turn them around. Pretty sweet. And that's it. Alright guys, that's the quick review on this TY Beanie Baby Buzzy the Buzzaed plush. Alright guys, bye.